Unlock tomorrow's wealth by harnessing the synergy of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency for effortless passive income. Step 1. Understand the foundation. We're talking about using AI to make smart investment decisions within the volatile but potentially rewarding crypto market, and leveraging blockchain technology for income generation without active trading. Strategy 1. Empowered trading bots. Imagine software that analyzes market trends 24/7, executing trades based on sophisticated algorithms. These bots can automatically buy low and sell high, generating profits while you sleep. However, choosing the right, reputable bot and understanding its parameters is crucial, as market fluctuations can still lead to losses. Strategy 2. Crypto staking. This is like earning interest on your crypto holdings. You lock up certain cryptocurrencies in a network to support its operations, and in return, you receive rewards. AI can help identify the most promising staking opportunities with the best yields and lowest risks. Strategy 3. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. Think of it as a blockchain-powered financial ecosystem. You can lend out your crypto, providing liquidity to various DeFi protocols, and earn interest. AI can help you navigate the complex world of DeFi, finding the safest and most profitable lending platforms. Remember, DeFi is still nascent and carries its own unique set of risks. Crucially, before diving in, thorough research is paramount. Understand the specific cryptocurrencies, the AI tools you're considering, and the platforms you'll be using. Risk management is not optional. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your investments and stay informed about market changes. Want to explore these passive income avenues further? Like this video, subscribe for more insights, and let us know in the comments which AI crypto strategy excites you the most.